So here's the problem. Thermomix TM5 shows constantly 100 degrees Celsius, no matter the mode and so on. The problem was caused by the liquid which leaked from the pot while the Thermomix was working. It was due to the Thermomix knife being mounted in the wrong way and the liquid, vinegar in that case, just leaked down to the device. I found one video showing the solution to the problem, so check it out. Link in the description. Huge shoutouts to Audio Keller for sharing the fix. I posted this video in English, so the solution could be easier to find on the internet. Basically, all I had to do is to replace one resistor on the motherboard. It's a 1 kΩ 0603 sized SMD resistor. I checked it on the motherboard and it looked like its resistance is far too high. Please note that the PCB is coated with some anti-liquid protection, so it is worth to scrape it before measuring. Audio Keller also mentions another possible faulty 12.4 kΩ resistor, which size is I think 0402, but in my case only the first one was faulty. After the replacement, I coated the PCB with some PCB varnish spray. I also cleaned the interior with isopropyl alcohol. After the assembly of the Thermomix and some tests, everything seems to be fine. There's one more thing. On the Gausterhaus channel, the author mentions the proper resistance values of the temperature sensor and the heater in the pot. The resistance of my pot's pins didn't match those showed in the video, but after changing the resistor on the motherboard, there are no problems with the device. So even if you have similar problem with TM5, check the resistor first. When it comes to the disassembly, there are some great tutorials on YouTube, links to which you will find in the description. I can only mention that the case screws are Torx T15 I think, and the ones from the motor are something like T30. Once again, huge shoutouts to Audio Keller, thanks for watching and good luck.